Alright. I'll show you. I'm gonna help you. Got it in first?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on to the handlebars.
Hold on to the handlebars.
Okay. Alright, put that foot up. Now lean it over. Lean it over.
No, stop,
It's
Dad.
okay.
Dad.
I got you.
Mike.
Give it some gas.
Dad. No, I can't.
Let me show you first.
Stop.
Look, turn it and...
I don't like going low.
Okay, alrighty. No donuts from Novah. There you go, kick that back out. There you go, good job, you had it. Look, you almost had it, Novah.
Hey, now can I play?
No, you gotta do it better than that. You can't be the donut queen without tearing up a donut. Look, let me show you. I'll show you, watch out. Look, you lean over. Look, you watching? You lean over, put one foot on the... You see that? Whoa.
That's why I'm not doing that.
That's how you do it. You can do it. Look, it's just, if you fall off, it's just mud.
I did a donut.
You almost did one. Look, it's slick and it's fun. And if you fall off, you don't even get hurt. It's muddy.
Oh, that's my favorite pants.
Oh, come on. Lean forward on the bike though. No, like slide up. Slide all the way up. Now lean over on the foot. Give a lot of gas and just let it go. Lean it. Look, I'll help you.
Oh, no, Dad.
Okay, but get over there where it's slick. Cut it. Now, right there. Now, give it a lot of gas.
Wait.
Now, give it a lot of gas and spin around. Do a half a donut. Just do like this. Go. There you go. Cut it. Go, 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 go. Right there. Give it gas. Go. Go. It's okay.
I need you to move.
Hey, slide up some though, because if you put all your weight on the back tire, it grips. So.
Can I play now?
Yeah, after you do a donut, you almost had it. Look, I'm moving out the way.
I want to.
Mommy's doing one next. You got it, Novah. Go. Gun it. Gun it. Go. Yeah, you had it, Novah. You had it. Right there. Give it gas. Give it some gas. There you go, Novah. Get it. Yeah. Woohoo. All right. Good job, Novah. High five.
That's
See?
easier than I thought. Even I couldn't do it, and you did it.
You gonna do another one or what? You gonna do that? You gonna do another one?
Yeah.
All right.
When my bike could climb that hill.
Once you get it going, it's easy.
Dad, when my bike could climb that hill.
Go, Novah, go. Kick it around.
I need to go back up.
All right, I'm backing up.
Go back up.
That's all right. All right, well, if you do another one, I'll video it. If you do another good one, I'll video it.
You did video it.
Nope, it was off. Click. It's on now. All right. You got it. Look, just keep your balance and give it a lot of gas. You're good. Go. Nova, slide up. Yeah, stay up closer. Closer to the tank. Ready? You got it. If you fall over, it's just mud. Go. Get it, Nova, get it, get it. Woohoo! All right. All right, pick it up. Keep going. Keep going. You want to try it now, Cooper? Go, Nova, go! Nova, keep it up. Keep it up. Listen, if you think you're about to fall, if you think you're about to fall, you just kick up more with your leg or turn the other way.
Now can I go play?
Yeah, go ahead. All right, Mommy, your turn.